install this door. I gotta tell you, I hate installing and replacing doors, but we have no pet that uses this door, and it was pretty rotten brick mold. Let's see if I can get out of this door. So this is the door. And then I started taking the brick mold off all the way around. Just gotta kind of get the silicone off the edges of the siding. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is pull all these screws off this door. And then since it's a steel door, I'm thinking somebody might take it. It looks like a nail here, a nail up there, and a nail there. That's it. And I'm not seeing any shims. I don't know if it's caulked in or not, but I'll bet you some of these screws on this part go through and they may be shimmed. So we'll see. I don't see any caulking. Look, cricket. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna pull off these screws, pull this door off, and then pull the lock out, save that. We'll put that on the new door over there, and I'll show you what's going on in a minute. So we got the door in, got the trim back on, the door knob and deadbolt, and then the blinds. Take a look at it here on the outside. Looks good, all cocked in. So yeah, it's pretty cool. A little bit more light in. I was kind of thinking about going with one that had a window, but I think if I want to get some flow, I'll just put a screen door on the other side of this one. And this is pretty cool. I mean, the blind should stay, you know, clean on the inside. And I just like that. It's a good door. Thanks for watching my video.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said